Nora, welcome. 8 bags. Come on, Nora. Oh, welcome back, Nora. 4 bags. 8 bags. Hi, welcome. Wow. Pink baby next out. So cute. Ooh. This one. Black and brown color. Wow, it's the fox. So shiny. You can love it, alright? One more again. Nora. 250 celebrated for United States. So pretty, so pretty. Alright. One more again. Whoa, couple dragon, double luck. Wow, this golden couple dragon so pretty. Alright, Nora. Wow. Butterfly with a lot of flowers. So good. Alright. One more, Nora. Hi. Wow, tiger. A half head is shiny base, another half is black. Wow, so pretty. Alright. Wow, I have butterfly, pink color. This one is so pretty too. Alright, one more again. Hi, Nora, welcome. Dragon, couple dragon, and blue color. Couple dragon is so cute. Alright, next one. Sunflower. Look at this yellow sunflower with a bee. Super pretty. Alright, another one. Get blue, Nora. Lucky day. Yeah, finally. Wow, get blue. Okay. The pink sunflower. Do you like it? Sick it. Alright.
Wow.
Congratulations, Nora. Plus 3 bags. Come on. Yeah. Wow. Red shiny base. The crab. So cool. Alright. One more, Nora.
Yay!
Yeah, I found that so many people get a blue and a SSR. Yeah, today is your lucky day, everyone. Yeah, everyone get a lot and get a blue and SSR. Super lucky. Look at this. Wow, the red SSR is so pretty. You can love it, Nora. Congratulations, Nora. Okay, I'll be enjoying my life. Okay, next one. Wow. 我感觉人数上不去也是因为卡顿的原因。
老板说像这样，
只有20几个人，比昨天还差。Tiger! Wow, Tiger King! Next one. Hi everyone, welcome to my live. Hi Jamie, welcome. Wow, couple dragon double luck. So cute. Alright. One more again, alright. Kitty! Wow, purple kitty. So cute. Alright, continue. 上面应该是黄金是卡顿吧？Peacock， 他们也在直播间说很卡。This peacock is so cute。我靠，都过了2个小时才2900张，好差，还不如昨天呢。Okay, peacock is so cute. Wow, you can love it. So colorful peacock. Continue. Wow, so many kitchens. Nora, you're so lucky. Alright, last one. Sweet bow. Wow, so cute. Oh, look at this blue flower. Wow, so cute. Alright, Nora. Look at this one blue, one SSR. Okay, Nora. Congratulations. Give me one free gift to practice. Wow, one full of the balls and one plate. Congratulations.